Are you one of those people who says thank you and please to the AI when you talk to them?
Yeah, because I fear that sometimes they will take over the world and they will spare me by saying, yeah, this guy was nice to us, so let's spare him.
When the refrigerator starts walking menacingly towards us,
Yeah,
maybe
exactly.
one of them will say, this guy was nice, you know?
Yeah, but you see, I do it because I see Levin as a person, as a colleague. He's my AI colleague. That's why I ask with please and thank you. But this is just, I think it's a professional trait that I do.
Yeah, it's funny because you probably know about the Turing test. It was this idea that before we had AIs, how can you test if a program, an algorithm, a piece of software is sufficiently advanced to be considered an AI? And the Turing test was, it would be indistinguishable from interacting to a human. So if you talk to them, just based on the answers, could you tell if it's a human or an AI? But I think there's a kind of, I don't know, emotional Turing test, when the AI kind of makes you feel like you're interacting with a human and you have the same human instincts of politeness and gratitude and please and thank you, which have no purpose, but it's just you feel like you're talking to a human. I find that quite interesting.